This is a disaster on a lot of different levels, but today with some amazing volunteers donating their time and some amazing companies donating their equipment and resources, we are going to take this and turn it back into an area of the woods that the public can get back out and enjoy the way it was meant to be. So previously you saw us come out here and remove the big camper that was right here and kind of the centerpiece to this whole camp, and we wanted to get that out of the way so that today it was all cleared out and we can get the hand crews in here to do the trash cleanup and get rid of this once and for all. So right now everyone is at the PLS Bend main meeting area, staging and getting ready, signing up for the different crews, going through the safety meeting, getting all the equipment and supplies for the cleanup. So we're going to head over there, check out that little bit, and then get back out here with the crew and start cleaning up.
I know it's what's up, man?
Hold on. Good to see you.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I want your autograph. Come back. Don't run from me.
Beer, and for those of you that don't know, this is actually national, and hopefully continue to enjoy all the beautiful things that we have around our community. So thank you for that. But we have like over $4,000 in prizes right now, so it's pretty rad.
Hey, this is my shot. Go get your own over there.
Well, I was gonna go over there, but I didn't want to be in your shot.
Well, now you're in my shot, right?
I want to donate a bunch of stuff, so
there, I'll just steal your shot. So this is Aaron, he's a crew leader of the crew out here today. What crew are we?
Crew 2.
Crew 2. How many crews are there? 5. So what you're seeing us out here doing here, there are 4 more crews doing the same thing other places in the woods. This is not the only problem spot out here. So there are 4 more crews just like this with dump trailers and equipment in other areas of the woods doing the same thing. How many people do we have on this crew? Crew leader, come on!
12 to 15.
12 plus a skid steer plus a mini excavator and a couple dump trailers.
Yep.
So we are gonna make all this disappear. You stole my line.
I guess it was the guy's wife. The husband's wife. The wife had like all this black hair.
Alright, so we got the skid steer pushing up piles right here to the excavator. We got Aaron on the excavator loading up the dump trailer. If that one's full, it'll move out of the way and another one will come in its place. And we got the hand crews picking up all the small stuff, making good progress. So the tow truck's dragging out cars and the heavy equipment getting all this bulk stuff taken care of visually has the biggest impact, but what makes the biggest real difference is the hand crews out here picking up every little piece of leftover trash after that big stuff is gone. That's the real heroes of this deal. These are the people who are really making the biggest impact out here and deserve the biggest amount of credit. And this is the part I never get to film because I'm always in the tow truck pulling out cars. But on this one, we did the cars ahead of time so that we could be out here for this day and give some credit to the people who really deserve it.
okay, step over here, watch your step. Right on top, I guess? Okay. Nice work. Yeah,
So I thought this trailer was full about 20 minutes ago, but apparently Aaron disagrees because he's bound and determined to fit as much as he can in there. I think you can fit another half a load in there.
I think so, I'm gonna try.
friend finally gave up and called it full.
More stuff was falling out than going in. Maybe if I had a good operator.
But stuff was still going in.
Some stuff was going in, yeah. It was getting to like a 20-80 ratio.
Okay, he's gonna go dump that and come back and we'll load up the rest. Well, Troy's back and he brought the smallest truck he owns.
I got one small one.
One.
Just throw it up here on the flat bed. On the flat deck. We'll get
This is what happens when the skid steer finds the old latrine hole. Oh, he made it out.
Don't run that over.
Yeah, we'll avoid that spot. And 2 hours later, all the trash is gone. Let's pick up our buckets. That wood pile we dispersed out and around. It's all natural wood. Any lumber, anything like that, plywood got pulled out and trashed. The natural wood that came from around here and collected got dispersed. We didn't want to leave it in a big pile that someone's gonna light on fire and turn into a bonfire. So scrap metal's loaded up in that trailer. All the trash is gone. Just picking up a few little pieces. And this site is back to something that can be used and enjoyed. All right, so we're gonna head on to the next site. The only bummer about this site is this thing, and unfortunately, we can't touch it. To remove the vehicles out here legally, they have to be tagged by law enforcement, given the proper minimum 72 hours of notice before they get towed, and then they get towed out, hauled to a storage site where they get the DMV lien process gone through to get junk titles on them, where they can then be taken and scrapped. Altogether, once they get towed out, it's another month to month and a half before they even can be hauled off and scrapped. So it's not as simple as you see something like that that is clearly abandoned junk and just hauling it out of here. There's a whole legal process that has to be done, and unfortunately this one did not get tagged in time for this cleanup, so we have to leave it. Okay, we came over here to Cabin Butte, kind of a shooting range area that ends up unfortunately getting trashed a lot, and this crew over here has got a very tedious job because it's all little stuff, and they have been cleaning like crazy. They've filled up a few of these trailers. Quite a few loads have gone out already, and this is actually starting to look really good again, but it's so much just little broke up and shot up stuff. And that also goes to show that it's not just one group of people that trashes areas out here. It's not just homeless people trashing areas. Like, there are ones that do. There's also ones that have impeccably clean camps. Even though they've been out here for years, they look nicer than my yard. And there's shooters who are very responsible and take care of the place. There's ones that aren't. Same with off-roaders. There's ones that take care of where they go and respect the land and have a great time and enjoy it the way it should be. And there's ones that will go tear up everything. It's not just one group of people causing the problem, and it's not just one group of people trying to help clean up the problem. All right, that's the last of them cleared out of here. And this butte is about as clean as it has ever looked. Awesome job. And this is probably one of the toughest cleanups because This is all just little hand stuff to pick up, not the big bulky trash, which is still a lot of work, but this is little stuff picking up with grabbers and buckets all day, and they knocked it out. So awesome job. You are now.
Oh no, I'm on camera. Am I supposed to say
You
something?
oh, there's a
important?
dog. You're gone.
Oh, okay.
We got to film the dog. That's more important. So we're back at kind of the staging area here. It's all wrapped up and done. You can see full dumpsters. There's dumpsters filled like that all over the place. There was 5 crews in total, 10 to 15 people on each crew, spread all throughout this wood. So what you saw me show, that was mainly one crew, a little bit of a second, but there was 3 more also cleaning up. There's dump trailers. Who knows how many loads of dump trailers been hauled out. Very successful day, thanks to all the people in the green vests and all of the volunteers who came out to help, all of the companies that volunteered the equipment. Big success. So I guess that means it's time for me to pull these off, give them back, and head home myself. Thank you guys for watching. Huge thank you to any of you that came out and helped. And at the bottom of this video, I'll try to get together a list of the companies who donated equipment and resources to help put this whole thing together, and put that down in the description below. So thank you to everyone. Hopefully we can see you out here at the next one next spring. See you next time.